Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Apps, select Settings, and now select Device Connection. After that, you need to scroll down, choose Printing, and tap on Add Service. Then install proper service to your printer. I have the HP one, so I have to download that one. And go back into the same printing settings. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click Home button. So go into Settings again, choose Device Connection, scroll down, Printing and HP Print Service. Now click on the searcher if it's not already on, and now your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!